Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Hey, 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 hey. I'm so tired. Life be lifing. But that's everything. We just flip the covers over.
Flip it over.
And all you gotta do is flip them back.
Flip it closed. Do it fast. Flip it over. Flip it closed. Do it fast.
Oh, that coordinates.
See, you got to coordinate.
Ooh-wee. Are y'all seeing this color? Yum. The heat. Because this is fire. You heard me? What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And some OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. So today is Vlogmas. I don't even know. I'm so tired. Life be lifing. But enough rambling. We're gonna go ahead and go in my bedroom so we can get started. I'm actually pretty excited. Hopefully I can get the right angles and everything for you guys. Angles, because you know, that's everything. That's everything. Okay, let go. Okay guys, so we are in my bedroom. If you're new here, welcome. I have a whole nother video on how I transformed this space. Nothing's really changed since last video, so just kind of giving you a broad stroke of the place. Excuse the steamer. I did a little bit of something because I knew I was gonna have company today. AKA you guys. Confession, I do not steam my bedding every day. That's just not my ministry, okay? In real life, it's usually a bit tattered, if you will. But the first thing I want to do is go ahead and put my H&M blanket here across the bed and the stools right here. So, yeah.
Say what your name is. Oh yeah, that fits you, girl. Tell me where you headed. Can I walk with you, girl? You got that look in your eyes that look like you give your boy here a good old time, and I'm on it, girl. That's right, I'm on it, girl. See, this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire.
Are you dying? Love that. I didn't bother tucking in the sides because we're about to kind of undo this to add another layer of bedding. But what I did want to do is, so I actually found this pillow at Home Goods. It's velvet on one side and like a linen on the other. It was only, how much for you? I'm pretty sure this was only $20, but I thought it would be nice to replace that pillow right there. Just to add even more brown to the bedroom. We're just gonna see how that looks. And then I pulled this one out of the closet. I've had this before. I've shared this with you guys before. The pillow cover is actually from Zara Home, I think last year during the sale. So I kind of wanted to put that one in the middle of these two pillows to add more warmth, another texture. So let's do that.
I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. 'Cause we gon' do something is gon' get done. And we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. And I say, she wearing her hair, she breaking them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it.
Yes. Okay. Ugh, I can't get over these stools. So cute. I don't even think, let me get a close up for you guys. They're just amazing. Love them. Okay, so this is the base. This is basically what we're going to be playing around with. So first, I'm going to keep all of this, but just add one boucle blanket that I showed you guys in the previous Vlogmas video. The Vera Wang boucle one. So yeah.
She keep it on and poppin'. Try to keep it on and poppin'. Ooh, yeah. Shawty, wearing that top, got your boy so hot. Ain't no mistaken plan. I'm faking, you got me open and waiting.
I tell you what, these stools right here, if you like to make up your bed real quick, they come in handy. Or even if you have a bench on the end of the bed, where you just flip the covers over, They lay right there, and all I gotta do is flip them back.
Flip it open, flip it closed. Do it fast. Flip it open, flip it closed. Do it fast.
It's great. Okay, so here is this one. I will admit, it doesn't really stand out a lot. It just honestly is another layer. But I actually love that blanket. It's a really good gift idea because it's not like a basic one. I love it. Okay, on to the next.
In poppin', you keep me on and poppin'. Ooh.
Ooh, are you seeing this? Look how that coordinates.
Most people don't coordinate. See, you got to coordinate.
Dang it, I forgot to tuck that. 1 second. Okay, that's better. So, do you see how the comforter coordinates with the painting? Like, that's amazing if you ask me. So here's a little bit of a better view. I love that this is like so relaxed. Like I don't have to steam it because it's already textured and it's so soft, y'all. So pretty. So that's option 2. Let's move on to the next.
I'm trying to keep my swagger, but you're about to have me, girl. Jump through about 4 or 5 hoops of ooh, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can see it, girl. Oh yes, you're mean and vicious the way you're switching. Now I say,
oh. Not mad at this one either. Okay, so it's the charcoal gray, which I actually love. Just gives a little bit more depth to the whole bedding situation. Still looks good with everything over here. Okay, dust. Get out of my frame. Thank you. I do feel like I would need another dark element up here for me to like fall in love with this, because it looks great, right? But it's just kind of like I don't know, something's missing. Maybe like if this throw blanket was a different hue of gray, you know? Okay, so that is option, what number is this? 3. Let's go on to 4. Okay, so I saved this one for last because I'm actually really excited about this color. I don't know if I told you in the video. I think I might have skipped it. It was only $35 for the duvet cover. You guys know I got the fitted sheet in percale and linen as well, but hey, that rhymed. But we're gonna try this one out. I think it's gonna be a winner, but we shall see when we get it up here. Ooh-wee! Fire.
Fire.
Hot.
Hot.
Needs to be steamed.
International baller, baby.
Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Hey, 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 hey. Are y'all seeing this color? Yum. The heat. Because this is fire. You heard me? Alright, that's all you're gonna get. I'm hot. Shoot. Gotta wash it anyway.
this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy.
Okay, wow. It's kind of giving the same vibe as the H&M comforter, but deeper and richer in color. Because it coordinates with the painting. But it's not like matchy-matchy, you know? I don't know, guys. This is a hard decision. I do kind of feel like this pillow over here, it's a lot of brown. So let me try the Sherpa one that I had before. I feel like that's better, no? Because now it doesn't feel like bed and bag, you know, where everything comes together like a set. Because now everything isn't so matchy-matchy and so brown. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I think this side of the room needs some attention. This console table, it's just, yeah, it's not doing it for me anymore. And I think I just want to do maybe some, if I had a bunch of those small limestone balls, that would be perfect, but I don't. So I'm just gonna shop the house and see what I come up with.
We gon' do something is gonna get done. we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
See, like, it's so big that maybe just some books. Okay, I'm not hating that.
She wearing her hair, she working them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin', try to keep it on and poppin'. Ooh, yeah.
I feel like we need like a little bit of height somewhere. Let's see.
Shorty, the way you wear that top got your boy so hot. Ain't no mistaken plan or faking. You got me open and waiting.
Kind of digging that, actually. Yeah, that'll do for now.
And poppin', you keep me on and poppin'. Ooh, shorty, she wearing her hair, she working them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin'. Whoa, poppin'.
Look how the sun is hitting right now. So pretty. But I don't know, guys. I love the yellow. I love this. I love the other ones for other reasons. So y'all let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I don't even know what I'm about to say. Let me know down in the comments which combination was your favorite. And yeah, it's pretty hard because there were a lot of good combinations in there. There were still tons more that I could have done, but time is of the essence, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Should be. Hopefully. But until then, peace out.